नमस्ते दोस्तों, स्मार्ट माइंड्स ट्यूटोरियल्स में आपका स्वागत है। आइए आज कुछ नया सीखें।
Okay, so let us get started with circles exercise 1A. So here Roman number 1, question number 1 is find the equations of circles with center C and radius R. So whenever center and radius is given, how to find the equation of a circle, let us find out. So first let us write what is given to us. Given center C is equal to 2 comma minus 3. Let us take this center as h comma k and radius r is equal to 4. Now we have a formula for equation of circle whose center is h comma k and radius is r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now in the place of h and k, we will substitute 2 and minus 3. So x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 4 square. Now open the brackets. Here we apply a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square formula. So a square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 16. Now arrange them in proper order. First x square, then y square, then x term, then y term, then constants. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 minus 16 is minus 3 equals to 0. This is the equation of circle. The same way, let us see how to do this second bit. So again, we will write given center and radius. Given center C is equal to minus 1 comma 2 and radius R is equal to 5. Equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Take center as h comma k. Now substitute x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 5 square. Expand x square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y minus 25 is 0. Now x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 20 is 0. See, 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 minus 25 is minus 20 equals to 0. This is the final answer. Take the next question. Center is a comma minus b. Radius is a plus b. So we'll write what is given to us. Given center C is equal to a comma minus b. Take this as h comma k. And radius r is equal to a plus b. Now equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x minus a whole square plus y plus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square. Now open the brackets. X square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square plus b square plus 2by is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Both the sides, whatever is same, we can cancel them. A square, B square cancel. Now take that 2ab this side, we will get x square plus y square minus 2ax plus 2by minus 2ab is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Take the next question. Center is minus a comma minus b. Radius is root over a square minus b square. So given center C is equal to minus a comma minus b. Let's take this as h comma k. And radius r is equal to root over a square minus b square. So equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. So x plus a whole square plus y plus b whole square is equal to root over a square minus b square whole square. Now here square and root get cancelled. Now here you expand a plus b whole square formula. So x square plus a square plus 2ax plus y square plus b square plus 2by is equal to a square minus b square. Now here a square and a square get cancelled. Now take this minus b square to the left hand side. So you will get x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus 2b square equals to 0. This is the final. Take the next one. What is given to us? Given center C is equal to cos alpha comma sin alpha. We will take this as h comma k and radius r is equal to 1. Now equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x minus cos alpha whole square plus y minus sin alpha whole square is equal to 1 square. Now open the brackets. X square plus cos square alpha minus 2x cos alpha plus y square plus sin square alpha minus 2y sin alpha is equal to 1. Now see cos alpha plus sin alpha is 1, right? So we can write this as x square plus y square minus 2x cos alpha minus 2y sin alpha plus 1 is equal to 1. Now this 1 and 1 get cancelled. You will get x square plus y square minus 2x cos alpha minus 2y sin alpha equals to 0. Take the next question. What is given to us? Given center C is equal to minus 7 comma minus 3 and radius r is equal to 4. Now what is equation of circle? Equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. So x plus 7 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 4 square. Now expand this. X square plus 49 plus 14x plus y square plus 9 plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. Now x square plus y square plus 14x plus 6y. 49 plus 9 is 58. 58 minus 16 is 42. plus 42 equals to 0. Take the next question. Center and radius is given to us. Given center is minus 1 by 2 comma minus 9. Take this as h comma k. And radius r is equal to 5. Now what is equation of circle? When center and radius is given, equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x minus x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus y plus 9 whole square is equal to 5 square. Now this is x square plus 1 by 4 plus 2ab. So 2 into x into 1 by 2 plus y square plus 81 plus 18y minus 25 is 0. 2 to cancel. So you will get x square plus y square plus x plus 18y plus 1 by 4 plus what is 81 minus 25? 56. Now you take LCM. You will get 4x square plus 4y square plus 4x plus 72y plus 1 plus what is 56 into 4? 224 is equal to 0. So final answer I am writing over here. 4x square plus 4y square plus 4x plus 72y plus 225 is equal to 0. Take the next question. What is given to us? Given center is 5 by 2 comma minus 4 by 3. Take this as h comma k. And what is radius given? Radius r is equal to 6. What is the equation of circle when center and radius is given? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x minus 5 by 2 whole square plus y plus 4 by 3 whole square is equal to 6 square. Now expand the brackets. X square plus 25 by 4 minus 2 into x into 5 by 2 plus y square plus 16 by 9 plus 2 into y into 4 by 3 minus 36 is equal to 0. 2 to cancel here. Now x square plus y square minus 5x plus 8y by 3 plus 25 by 4 plus 16 by 9 minus 36 is 0. So LCM of 3, 4 and 9 is 36. Now if you take the LCM, what will you get? 36 is the LCM. So 36x square plus 36y square minus 180x plus 3 into 12 is 36. So 12 into 8 is 96y. 4 into 9 is 36. So 25 into 9 is 225. 9 into 4 is 36. So 16 into 4 is 64 minus what is 36 into 36? 1296. Minus 1296 is equal to 0. Now 36x square plus 36y square minus 180x plus 96y. Now what is 225 plus 64? 225 plus 64 is 289. What is 289 minus 1296? So 1296 minus 289. So this is 7, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1. 1007 minus 1007 minus 1007 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Take the next question. What is given to us? Given center is 1, 7, radius is 5 by 2. Now what is equation of circle? Equation of circle when center and radius is given, it is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square is equal to 5 by 2 whole square. Expand the brackets, x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 49 minus 14y minus 25 by 4. Now rearrange the terms, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 14y plus 50 minus 25 by 4 is 0. Take LCM, 4x square plus 4y square minus 8x minus 56y plus 200 minus 25 is 0. So if you further simplify, you will get 4x square plus 4y square minus 8x minus 56y plus 175 is equal to 0. Take the next question. Given center is 0, 0, radius is 9. So what is equation of circle when center and radius is given? It is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals to 9 square. X minus 0 is x. So this will be x square. The second bracket will be y square equals to 81. This way you can write, or else you can write this way also. X square plus y square minus 81 is equal to 0. Now take the next question. This is another model. Find the equation of the circle passing through origin and having center at minus 4 comma minus 3. So whenever a center is given and a point is given, first you draw a circle. Take a center. Center is given as minus 4 comma minus 3 and point is given as 0 comma 0. This is point. Now if you join this center and this point, you get radius, right? So first write down what is given to us. Given center is equal to, center C is equal to minus 4 comma minus 3. And what is the point given? Point is origin. Origin is 0 comma 0. Now we know that the distance between center and point is radius. We can say CP is equal to radius. So if you find the distance between these 2 points, you get radius. So R is equal to under root 0 plus 4 whole square plus 0 plus 3 whole square. I think you know what is distance formula. Once again, I'll write down the distance formula over here. When 2 points are given to us, distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is distance formula. So that is root over 16 plus 9. That is root 25, which is equal to 5. So we got radius, but they are asking us for equation. Now, after finding radius, What is the equation of circle? When center and radius is given, what is the center given? Center is -4, -3 and radius is 5. Is what is the formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now you take center as h comma k. Don't take point as h comma k. So x plus 4 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 5 square. So x square plus 16 plus 8x plus y square plus 9 plus 6y is equal to 25. Now 16 plus 9 is 25 and this 25 get cancelled. So you are left over with x square plus y square plus 8x plus 6y is equal to 0. Take the next question. This is also similar. Find the equation of the circle passing through 2, -1 having the center at 2, 3. Now what is given to us? What is the center? Center is C2, 3. We can take this as h, k. Now what is point? Point is P2, -1. We know that CP is equal to radius. So if you want to find radius, we have to apply distance formula between center and point. So 2 minus 2 whole square plus 3 plus 1 whole square. That is 0 plus 4 square is 16. That is 4. Now you got r is equal to 4. Now what is equation of circle? With center 2, 3 and radius is equal to 4 is formula is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 4 square. So this is x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y minus 16 is 0. So you get x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is 0. Take the next question. This is also similar. Find the equation of the circle passing through -2, 3 having the center at 0, 0. Now what is given to us? What is the center given? Center is equal to C 0, 0. We can take this as h, k. Now what is radius? Sorry. What is the point? Point is P minus 2, 3. We know that CP is equal to radius. So if you find the distance between them, we get radius. 0 plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square. That is root 4 plus 9, which is equal to root 13. R is equal to root 13. Now what is equation of circle? Equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to root 13 whole square. Square root get cancelled. You are left over with x square plus y square equals to 13. This is the final answer. Take the next question. This is also similar. What is given to us? Center is equal to C minus 3 comma 4. We can take this as h comma k. Now what is the point given? Point is P3 comma 4. Now we know that CP is equal to radius. So radius is under root 3 plus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. That is root 6 square is 36 plus 0. That is 6. So you got R is equal to 6. Now what is the equation of circle when center and radius is given? It is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 6 square. So that is x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y minus 36 is 0. So that is x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y. 9 plus 16 is 25. 25 minus 36 is minus 11 equals to 0. This is the final answer. So we have covered 2 models in this class. Let us continue exercise 1.1 here. So the sixth question is find the value of A if 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equals to 0 represents a circle and also find its radius. So first let us see what is the given equation. So given equation is 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. So over here, first we will apply the conditions of a circle. So what is the first condition of circle? Coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. So with this you got a value, a is equal to 2. Now if you substitute this a is equal to 2 in the given equation, what do you get? You will get 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 is 0. Whenever you have some coefficient for x square and y square, we first divide by that coefficient. So dividing by 2. So you will get x square plus y square minus 3 by 2x plus y minus 1 by 2 is 0. Now comparing this equation with the general form. What is the general form? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is 0. So if you compare them, in the place of 2g you have minus 3 by 2. 2g is minus 3 by 2. And in the place of 2f you have 1. And in the place of c you have minus 1 by 2. So g is minus 3 by 4. F is 1 by 2 and C is minus 1 by 2. Now, after getting this, we will find out the radius. So, what is the formula for radius? Root over G square plus F square minus C. That is root over 9 by 16 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. If you take LCM of 16, 4 and 2 is 16. Now 16 into 1 is 16. So 9 into 1 is 9. Plus 4 into 4 is 16. So 1 into 4 is 4. 2 into 8 is 16. So 1 into 8 is 8. So that is root 21 by 4. This is the radius. Now take the next question. Question number 7. Find the values of a comma b. If ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equals 0 represents a circle, also find the center and radius of the circle. So first let us write what is the given equation. Given equation is ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now here we will apply the conditions. Applying the conditions of the circle. So the first condition is coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. So with this you get a is equal to 3. And the second condition is coefficient of xy is equal to 0. With this you got b is equal to 0. Now you got a and b values. Now let us substitute them in the given equation. So substituting a is equal to 3, b is equal to 0 in, let's say, equation number 1. So you will get 3x square plus 0xy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 is 0. So you will get 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. Now you can see coefficient of x square and y square is 3. So we divide by 3. If you divide by 3, you will get x square plus y square minus 5 by 3x plus 2 by 3y minus 1 equals to 0. Now comparing this equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So 2g is minus 5 by 3, 2f is 2 by 3, c is minus 1. So g is minus 5 by 6, 2 to cancel, f is 1 by 3, c is minus 1. Now what is center? Center formula is minus g comma minus f. That is 5 by 6 comma minus 1 by 3. Now after center we will find out radius. Radius is root over g square plus f square minus 1. That is root over 25 by 36 plus 1 by 9 minus 1. So if you take the LCM of 36 and 9 is 36. 36 ones are 36, so this will be 25. 9 fours are 36, so 1 fours will become 4. Minus, if you don't have anything in the denominator, that means you have 1. So 1 into 36 is 36, so here you will get 36. Okay. So you will get over here minus of minus will become plus 1. So this is plus and this will become 65. 40 root 65 by 36. So that is root 65 by 6. Take the next question, question number 8. If x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 equals to 0 represents a circle, with center 2, 3, then find GF and radius. So first let us write the given equation. What is the given equation? Given equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 is 0. So first you compare this equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So in the place of g you have g itself. In the place of f you have f itself. In the place of c you have minus 12. Now what is center given? Center is 2, 3. But center formula is minus g, minus f. That means g is minus 2 and f is minus 3. So you got g and f values. And we already know c is minus 12. Now what is radius? We have a formula for radius. That is under root g square plus f square minus c. That is root over 4 plus 9 minus of minus plus 12. That is root 25. Which means radius is equal to 5. Take the next question. If x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equals to 0 represents a circle with center minus 4, minus 3, then find gf and radius. So first what is given to us? Given equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0. Comparing this equation with the general equation. What is the general equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So in the place of g you have g. In the place of f you have f. And in the place of c you have 0. So center is minus 4, minus 3 given. That is minus g, minus f. So g is 4 and f is 3. Now what is radius? Radius formula is root over g square plus f square minus c, that is root over 16 plus 9 minus 0, that is root 25, which is equal to 5. Take the next question. If x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c equals to 0 represents a circle with radius 6, then find the value of c. So first let us write the given equation. It is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c is equal to 0. Now comparing this equation with general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now in the place of 2g you have minus 4, in the place of 2f you have 6, and in the place of c you have c. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. So g is minus 2, f is 3 and c is c. Now what is given to us? Radius is equal to 6 given. So now radius formula is under root g square plus f square minus c is 6. Squaring on both sides, you will get g square plus f square minus c is equal to 36. Now g is minus 2, so g square will become 4. F square will become 9. Minus c is 36. So c is equal to 13 minus 36. C equals to minus 23. Take the next question. Find the center and radius of each of the circles whose equations are given below. This question is very, very important. because you must know how to find out center and radius. So first let us write the given equation. Given equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 41 is 0. First comparing with the general equation to find GFC values. Plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is 0. Now 2g, in the place of 2g you have minus 4. In the place of 2f you have minus 8. And in the place of c you have minus 41. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 fours are. So g is minus 2, f is minus 4, c is minus 41. So first we need to find out center. Center formula is minus g comma minus f. That is 2 comma 4. Now what is radius? Radius is found by this formula, root over g square plus f square minus c. That is root over 4 plus 16 minus of minus plus 41. That is root 61. So finally you can conclude center is 2 comma 4. Radius is root 61. Take the next question. Here also we need to find center and radius. Now here if you look at the question begins with 3x square plus 3y square. Always make sure the question must start with x square plus y square. So in that case we should divide by the coefficient given. So first let us write down the given equation. Given equation is 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 4 is 0. First dividing by 3. So you'll get x square plus y square minus 5 by 3x minus 2y plus 4 by 3 is equal to 0. Now comparing with the general equation. What is the general equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So 2g is minus 5 by 3, 2f is minus 2 and c is 4 by 3. Here 2 cancel. So g is minus 5 by 3, f is minus 1, c is 4 by 3. So in that case what is the center? Center is minus g comma minus f, that is 5 by 3 comma 1. This is the center. Now what is radius? Radius is root over g square plus f square minus c. That is root over, what is g square? 25 by 9 plus what is f square? 1 minus what is c? C is 4 by 3. Now LCM of 9 and 3 is 9. So this is 25 plus. Here there is no denominator. That means 1 is the denominator. Now 1 into how much is 9? So 1 nines are 9. So in the numerator also you have 1. So multiply 1 with 9. You will get 9. Now 3 threes are 9. So 4 threes are 12. 25 plus 9 is 34. 34 minus 12 is 34 minus 12, that is 22. So that is root 22 by 3. Take the next question. 3x square plus 3y square plus 6x minus 12y minus 1 is 0. So first dividing by 3. We will get x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 1 by 3 is 0. Comparing with the general equation. What is the general equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is 0. So 2g is 2, 2f is minus 4, c is minus 1 by 3. 2 cancel, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So g is 1, f is minus 2, c is minus 1 by 3. So what is center? Center is minus g comma minus f. that is minus 1 comma 2. And what is radius formula? Root over g square plus f square minus c. That is root over 1 plus 4 plus 1 by 3, because minus of minus will become plus. That is root over 5 plus 1 by 3. That is root over 15 plus 1 by 3. That is 4 by root 3. Take the next question. X square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 is 0. So comparing with the general equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So 2g is equal to 6, 2f is equal to 8, c is equal to minus 96. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 4s are. So g is 3, f is 4, c is minus 96. What is center? Center is c minus g comma minus f. That is minus 3 comma minus 4. And what is radius? Root over g square plus f square minus c. That is root over 9 plus 16 plus 96. That is root 121, which is equal to 11. Therefore, center is minus 3 comma minus 4 and radius is 11. This is the final answer. Take the next question. 2x square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 3 equals to 0. So first you have to divide by 2, because coefficient of x square and y square is 2. So if you divide by 2, you will get x square plus y square minus 2x plus 3y minus 3 by 2 is 0. Now comparing with the general equation, so comparing with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So 2g is minus 2, 2f is 3, c is minus 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. G is minus 1, f is 3 by 2, c is minus 3 by 2. So center is c minus g comma minus f, that is 1 comma minus 3 by 2. And radius is root over g square plus f square minus c, that is root over 1 plus 9 by 4 plus 3 by 2. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So you will get 4 plus 9 plus 6. That is root 19 by 2. This is the radius. Take the next question. We need to find the center and radius of this equation. 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 is 0. So first you have to divide by 2. So if you divide by 2, you will get x square plus y square minus 3 by 2x plus y minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Now comparing this equation with the general equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So 2g is minus 3 by 2, 2f is 1 and c is minus 1 by 2. So g is minus 3 by 4, f is 1 by 2 and c is minus 1 by 2. So what is center? Center is c minus g comma minus f. That is 3 by 4 comma minus 1 by 2. This is center. Now what is radius? Radius is root over g square plus f square minus c. That is root over 9 by 16 plus 1 by 4 minus c is minus 1 by 2. So minus of minus will become plus 1 by 2. Now what is the LCM of 16, 4 and 2? LCM is 16. Now 16 into 1 is 16. So 9 into 1 is 9. 4 into 4 is 16. So 1 into 4 is 4. 2 into 8 is 16. So 1 into 8 is 8. So this is root over 21 by 16. That is root 21 by 4. This is the radius. Take the next question. Root over 1 plus m square into x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2mcy is equal to 0. So first you have to divide by root 1 plus m square because the coefficient of x square and y square is root 1 plus m square. So you will get x square plus y square minus 2c by root 1 plus m square into x minus 2mc by root 1 plus m square into y is equal to 0. Now comparing with the general equation, what is the general equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So 2g is minus 2c by root 1 plus m square. 2f is minus 2mc by root 1 plus m square. And c is 0. So 2 get cancelled. So you will get g as minus c by root 1 plus m square. F is minus mc by root 1 plus m square. And c is 0. So what is the center? Center is c minus g comma minus f. That is c by root 1 plus m square comma mc by root 1 plus m square. This is the center. We need to find out radius now. So what is the radius? Formula for radius is root over g square plus f square minus c. That is root over what is g? G is minus c by root 1 plus m square. So g square will become c square by 1 plus m square. Then what is f? F is minus mc by root 1 plus m square. So f square will become m square c square by 1 plus m square. Minus c is 0. Now we can add the numerator c square plus m square c square by 1 plus m square. Now in the numerator if you take c square common, we will get 1 plus m square by 1 plus m square. 1 plus m square get cancelled, that is root c square, which is equal to c. So radius is equal to c. Take the next question. X square plus y square plus 2ax minus 2by plus b square equals to 0. So directly we can compare with the general form, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So in the place of 2g you have 2a. In the place of 2f you have minus 2b. And in the place of c you have b square. 2 to cancel. So you get g is equal to a. F is equal to minus b and c is equal to b square. Now what is the center? Center is c minus g comma minus f. That is minus a comma b. This is the center. Now what is the radius? Radius is root over g square plus f square minus c. That is root over a square plus b square minus c is b square. B square minus b square cancel, that is a. So radius is equal to a. Take the next question. This question is very important. It will be mostly asked as a VSAQ. So find the equations of circles for which the points given below are the end points of diameter. So you just see this is a circle. This is a diameter. These are the end points of diameter. Let's say x1, y1 and x2, y2. Whenever n points of diameter is given, the formula is x minus x1 into y minus y1. Sorry, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to 0. This is the formula we use whenever n points of diameter are given. So first let us write what are the given points. Given points are A1, 2, B4, 6. Let us take A point as x1, y1, B point as x2, y2. Now x minus 1 into x minus 4 plus y minus 2 into y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now if you multiply this, you will get x square minus x minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 2y minus 6y plus 12 is 0. So what is the final answer? X square plus y square minus 5x minus 8y plus 16 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Now take the next question, minus 4, 3, 3, minus 4. So these are the given points. You can write these as given points. Given points are, this is A, this is B. Take this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2. Now what is the formula for equation of circle? When n points of diameter is given, it is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So x plus 4 into x minus 3 plus y minus 3 into y plus 4 is equal to 0. So you will get x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 plus y square minus 3y plus 4y minus 12 is 0. So you will get x square plus y square plus x plus y minus 24 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Now take the next question, third bit. 1, 2, 8, 6. Again we take this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2. Now what is equation of circle? Equation of circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 into x minus 8 plus y minus 2 into y minus 6 is equal to 0. So x square minus x minus 8x plus 8 plus y square minus 2y minus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0. So you will get x square plus y square minus 9x minus 8y plus 20 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Next, take the next question, bit number 4. 4, 2, 1, 5. Again, we take this as x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, what is the equation of circle? What is the formula we use when n points of diameter is given? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Now substitute x minus 4 into x minus 1 plus y minus 2 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. So you will get x square minus 4x minus x plus 4 plus y square minus 2y minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. So you get x square plus y square minus 5x minus 7y plus 14 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Next, take the fifth bit now. 7 comma minus 3, 3 comma 5. Again, we take this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2. Now, what is equation of circle? Equation of circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is 0. So, x minus 7 into x minus 3 plus y plus 3 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. So you get x square minus 7x minus 3x plus 21 plus y square plus 3y minus 5y minus 15 is equal to 0. So you get x square plus y square minus 10x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Next, sixth bit. 1 comma 1, 2 comma minus 1. Take the first point as x1, y1, second point as x2, y2. Now what is the formula we use here? Equation of circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus y minus 1 into y plus 1 is equal to 0. So you get x square minus x minus 2x plus 2. Plus this is in the form a minus b into a plus b. That is a square minus b square. So you will get y square minus 1. So this is x square plus y square minus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. This is the final answer. Now let's see, move on to the seventh bit, 0 comma 0, 8 comma 5. So this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Now what is equation of circle? Equation of circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is 0. So x minus 0 into x minus 8 plus y minus 0 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. So x into x minus 8 plus y into y minus 5 is 0. So we get x square minus 8x plus y square minus 5y is equal to 0. We can rearrange this now. How to rearrange? X square plus y square minus 8x minus 5y is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Next, let us take the last bit now. Last bit from this question. 3 comma 1, 2 comma 7. So this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So what is equation of circle? What is the formula? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 into x minus 2 plus y minus 1 into y minus 7 is equal to 0. So x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 plus y square minus y minus 7y plus 7 is equal to 0. So you get x square plus y square minus 5x minus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0. Take the next question. This is also very important model for VSAQs. Obtain the parametric equation of each of the following circles. So the first question is x square plus y square equals to 4. So you can see this equation is in standard form. So let me give you the formula for parametric equations. Parametric equations formula is x is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta. We will use these formulae now. Now what is the given equation? Given equation is x square plus y square is equal to 4. So it is in standard form. That means we can compare with x square plus y square is equal to r square. So center is 0, 0 and radius is equal to 2. Center we can take it as h and k. Therefore, what are the parametric equations? Therefore, parametric equations are x is equal to 0 plus 2 cos theta, y is equal to 0 plus 2 sin theta. That means x is equal to 2 cos theta and y is equal to 2 sin theta. This is the final answer. Take the second bit now. 4 into x square plus y square is equal to 9. So first we should divide by 4. So you will get x square plus y square is equal to 9 by 4. Now comparing this equation with x square plus y square is equal to r square. So whenever the question is given in standard form, center will be 0, 0 because there is no x term and no y term. And radius will be square root of the right hand side. So that is 3 by 2. Therefore, what are the parametric equations? In every question, you need to write the formula. Parametric equations are x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. This is h and this is k. So x is equal to 0 plus 3 by 2 cos theta and y is equal to 0 plus 3 by 2 sin theta. X is equal to 3 by 2 cos theta, y is equal to 3 by 2 sin theta. Take the next question. 2x square plus 2y square equals to 7. So you can see coefficient of x square and y square is 2. So first you divide by 2. If you divide by 2, you will get x square plus y square is equal to 7 by 2. Now from here center is 0, 0 and radius is root over 7 by 2. Now what are the parametric equations? Parametric equations are x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. So which implies x is equal to 0 plus root 7 by 2 cos theta and y is equal to 0 plus root 7 by 2 sin theta. So x is equal to square root 7 by 2 cos theta, comma y is equal to square root 7 by 2 sin theta. This is the final answer. Take the next question. X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 8 square. Now, if you see this equation, it is not in standard form. And if you see in which form it is in central form. So, whenever it is in central form, we have to compare with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So h is 3, k is 4, r is 8. So we have h, k and r values. Directly apply parametric equations formula. Parametric equations are x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sine theta. So x is equal to 3 plus 8 cos theta and y is equal to 4 plus 8 sine theta. This is the final answer. So let us cover exercise 1.1 Roman number 2. Question number 1. So if the abscissa of points a comma b are the roots of the equation x square plus 2ax minus b square equals to 0 and ordinates of a comma b are roots of y square plus 2py minus q square equals to 0, then find the equation of the circle for which AB is a diameter. So first you should know what do you mean by abscissa and ordinate. Abscissa means x coordinate and ordinate is y coordinate. Okay. So here let us take a x1 comma y1, b x2 comma y2 are the two given points. Now since x1 comma x2 are the roots, what are the x coordinates of these 2 points? What is the abscissa of these 2 points? x1 and x2. So x1 comma x2 are the roots of the first equation, that is x square plus 2ax minus b square is 0. Then what is sum of the roots? We know that sum of the roots formula is minus b by a. So sum of the roots means add the roots. x1 plus x2 is equal to minus what is b from this equation? 2a. By what is a from this equation? 1. So x1 plus x2 is, so we got x1 plus x2 is equal to minus 2a. Now we will take product of the roots. What is the formula for product of the roots? It is c by a. So product of the roots means x1 into x2. What is c here from this equation? C is minus b square by a is 1. So you got x1, x2 is equal to minus b square. The same way we will do it for the second part of the question. That is, we will take y1 and y2. Since y1 and y2 are the roots of the quadratic equation y square plus 2py minus q square is 0. Then what is sum of the roots? Sum of the roots is y1 plus y2. That is minus b by a. So y1 plus y2 is minus, what is b from this equation? 2p. b is 2p. By a is 1. See, b is coefficient of y. A is coefficient of y square. Okay. So that is how we got y1 plus y2 value as minus 2p. Now product of the roots. Product of the roots is y1 y2. Formula is c by a. So y1 y2 is equal to c is minus q square by a is 1. So y1 y2 is minus q square. Now what is the equation of a circle when ends of diameter is given? The equation of circle for which AB is a diameter is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Now if you multiply this, we will get x square minus xx1 minus xx2 plus x1 x2 plus y square minus yy1 minus yy2 plus y1 y2 is equal to 0. Now x square, if we take minus x common, we will get x1 plus x2 plus x1 x2 plus y square. From these two, if we take minus y common, we will get y1 plus y2 plus y1 y2 is equal to 0. Now we already got x1 plus x2 values, y1 plus y2 values, then x1, x2 and y1, y2. All the four values we have got. Now we will just substitute here. So x square minus x into, what is x1 plus x2? Minus 2a. x1, x2 is minus b square. Then y1 plus y2 is minus 2p. y1, y2 is minus q square is equal to 0. So you will get x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2py minus b square minus q square is 0. This is the final answer. Take the next question. Question number 2, bit number 1. Show that a3 comma minus 1 lies on the circle. Also find the other end of the diameter through a. So first let us write the given equation of the circle. What is the given equation of the circle? X square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 0. Now to show that a point lies on this circle, just if you substitute the point in the circle equation, and if you are getting 0 is equal to 0, that means the point lies on the circle. Okay. So now let us put a3 comma minus 1 lies on the circle. That means we have to substitute. So 3 square plus minus 1 square plus, minus 2 into 3 plus 4 into minus 1 equals to 0. 9 plus 1 minus 6 minus 4 equals to 0. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, here we can write to check a3 comma minus 1 lies on the circle. Now you got 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, a3 comma minus 1 lies on the circle. Now you see this is a circle. This is a diameter. This point is lying on the circle. Now you have to find the other end of the diameter through A. Through A means the diameter is passing through A and the other end we have to find out. Let us say B. B, let's say x comma y. So let B is equal to x comma y. Now we know that center is the midpoint. So center C is the midpoint of AB. Now let us find out the center first. Now from the circle equation, let us name the circle equation as equation number 1. Now from equation number 1, what is GFC? G is minus 1. See, G you always take half of coefficient of x. And F you always take half of coefficient of y, that is 2. There is no constant in the equation, so C is equal to 0. Now what is center? Center is minus 1 comma 2. So center is minus 1 comma 2. This is the midpoint. Now we will use midpoint formula. What is midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. Now A is 3 comma minus 1 and B is x comma y. Now here in the place of midpoint we will write C. C minus 1 comma 2 is equal to, take this A point as x1 y1, B point as x2 y2. Now substitute in this formula. So you get 3 plus x by 2 minus 1 plus y by 2. Equate x coordinates and y coordinates. So you will get minus 1 is equal to 3 plus x by 2. Cross multiply. You will get minus 2 is equal to 3 plus x. So x is equal to minus 5. Now the same way, 2 is equal to minus 1 plus y by 2. Cross multiply, 4 is equal to minus 1 plus 5. Y is equal to 5. Therefore, B point, that is the other end of the diameter, is minus 5 comma plus 5. First you write x coordinate, then you write y coordinate. Take the next question. Similar model. Show that a minus 3 comma 0 lies on the given equation and find the other end of diameter through A. So first let us write the given equation. What is the given equation? X square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. Now we need to check if a minus 3 comma 0 lies on the circle or not. So for this we need to substitute the point in the circle equation. So minus 3 whole square plus 0 square plus 8 into minus 3 plus 12 into 0 plus 15 is equal to 0. 9 plus 0 minus 24 plus 0 plus 15 is equal to 0. 9 plus 15 is 24 minus 24 is 0. So 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, a minus 3 comma 0 lies on the circle. Now from the circle equation, let us mark the circle equation as equation number 1. Now from equation number 1, let's find GFC. G is half of coefficient of x, that is 4. F is half of coefficient of y, that is 6. And constant is 15. Now what is the center? Center is, formula is minus g comma minus f, that is minus 4 comma minus 6. Now we apply midpoint formula. C is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So in the place of center, we will write minus 4 comma minus 6. And x1 and y1 we will take a point as x1 y1 and b point as x comma y. Let b is x comma y. So that is minus 3 plus x by 2, then 0 plus y by 2. Equate x coordinates and y coordinates. So you will get minus 4 is equal to minus 3 plus x by 2. Cross multiply, minus 8 is equal to minus 3 plus x. X is equal to 3 minus 8. So x is minus 5. Now we will equate y coordinates. Minus 6 is equal to y by 2. Cross multiply, y is equal to minus 12. Therefore, b is equal to minus 5 comma minus 12. Here in the second question, first bit, we made a mistake. Center is minus g comma minus f. So center should be plus 1 and minus 2. Center is 1 comma minus 2. So here it will be 1 comma minus 2. So this is plus 1. This is plus 2. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. This is minus 1. And here this is minus 2. So this is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. So what is B point? B point is minus 1 comma minus 3. Take the next question. Find the equation of a circle which passes through 2 comma minus 3 and minus 4 comma 5 and having the center on 4x plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. This question is very, very important and it comes as an LAQ. So now first let us take, whenever they ask you to find the equation of the circle, we take the equation of circle as the general equation. What is the general equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Now what are the given points? Given points are 2 comma minus 3 and minus 4 comma 5. Let us name them as A and B. Now equation number 1 passes through A point, that is 2 comma minus 3. Now in the place of x you put 2 and in the place of y you put minus 3. So 2 square plus minus 3 whole square plus 2g into 2 plus 2f into minus 3 plus c is equal to 0. 4 plus 9 plus 4g minus 6f plus c is equal to 0. So you get 4g minus 6f plus c is equal to minus 13. This is equation number 2. Now equation number 1 passes through the second point. What is the second point? B minus 4 comma 5. So minus 4 whole square plus 5 square plus 2g into minus 4 plus 2f into 5 plus c is equal to 0. So 16 plus 25 minus 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to 0. So minus 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 41. This is equation number 3. Now we will subtract 3 minus 2. Now write the third equation, minus 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 41. And second equation is 4g minus 6f plus c is equal to minus 13. Now you subtract. So we need to change the signs whenever we subtract. So c minus c cancel. This is minus 12g plus 16f is equal to minus 28. Now let us take this as equation number 4. Now we got fourth equation. We'll see the last part of the question now. Center is on this line. So that means center lies on 4x plus 3y plus 1 is 0. This is given in the question. But we know that center is minus g comma minus f. So minus g comma minus f lies on 4x plus 3y plus 1 is 0. So you will get 4 into minus g plus 3 into minus f plus 1 is 0. So minus 4g minus 3f plus 1 is equal to 0. So you will get 4g plus 4g minus 3f, let us take to the other side. So 4g minus 3f is equal to 1. This is equation number 5. Now you have to solve 4 and 5. Now see, in fifth equation you have 4g and in fourth equation you have 12g. So multiply this fifth equation with 3. So that both will become 12g, 12g. You can cancel it off. Now let us copy the fourth equation as it is. Minus 12g plus 16f is equal to minus 28. And here fifth equation you multiply with 3. So 12g minus 9f is equal to 3. Directly you can cancel, no need of changing the signs because already you have a positive and a negative sign. So cancel 16 minus 9 is here you will get plus 3f here. If you are taking minus 4g minus 3f that side, you will get 4g plus 3f. So you will get plus 9f. If you add this, you will get 25f is equal to minus 25. 25, 25 cancel. F is equal to minus 1. Now substituting f value in equation number 5. So 4g plus 3 into minus 1 is equal to 1. 4g minus 3 is equal to 1. 4g is equal to 4. G is equal to 1. Now substitute this g and f in either second equation or third equation. Let us substitute in second equation. So 4g minus 6f plus c is equal to minus 13. Now 4 into 1 minus 6 into minus 1 plus c is minus 13. 4 plus 6 plus c is minus 13. So c is equal to minus 13 minus 10. C is equal to minus 23. Now we will substitute GFC in equation number 1. So you will get x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. So in the place of g I substituted 1, in the place of f I substituted minus 1 and in the place of c I substituted minus 23. So you get x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 23 equals to 0. This is the final answer. Take the next question. Same way you have to do this. Find the equation of a circle which passes through 4, 1, 6, 5 and having the center on 4x plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. So first let us write, let the equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Equation number 1. Now equation number 1 passes through the first point, that is 4, 1. So 4 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 4 plus 2f into 1 plus c equals to 0. What did we do here? In equation number 1, we substituted x as 4 and y as 1. So you got 16 plus 1 plus 8g plus 2f plus c is 0. So 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 17. Equation number 2. Now equation number 1 passes through the second point. What is the second point? 6, 5. So 6 square plus 5 square plus 2g into 6 plus 2f into 5 plus c equals to 0. So you get 36 plus 25 plus 12g plus 10f plus c equals to 0. So 12g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 61. This is equation number 3. Now let us subtract 3 minus 2. So third equation is 12g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 61. 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 17. Change the signs. C minus C cancel. 4G plus 8F is equal to minus 44. So if you take, now we got 3 minus 2. Mark this as equation number 4. Now center minus G comma minus F lies on 4x plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. So 4 into minus G plus 3 into minus F plus 1 equals to 0. So minus 4G minus 3F plus 1 equals to 0. So 4G plus 3F is equal to 1. Mark this as equation number 5. Okay. Now we need to solve 4 and 5. So if you solve 4 and 5, what will you get? 4G plus 8F is equal to minus 44. Then 4G plus 3F is equal to 1. Change the signs. 5F is equal to minus 45. F is equal to minus 9. Now substituting F value in equation number 5. So 4G plus 3 into minus 9 is equal to 1. 4G minus 27 is equal to 1. 4G equals to 28. So G is equal to 7. Now substituting G and F in equation number 2 or 3. Let's substitute in second equation. 8G plus 2F plus C is minus 17. So 8 into 7 plus 2 into minus 9 plus C is minus 17. 56 minus 18 plus C is minus 17. What is 56 minus 18? 38. So 38 plus C is minus 17. C is minus 38 minus 17. So this is minus 55. One minute, there is a change in the question. I have taken the constant wrong. So here it is not plus 1, it is minus 24. So here it will become minus 24. This is minus 24. From here it will change. This is minus 24. Okay. So minus 4G minus 3F is equal to 24. This is equation number 5. So this is minus 4G minus 3F is equal to minus 24. So this is minus 24. So here it will become minus 20. So this is minus 4. So if F is minus 4, then G value will change. f is -4, then -12. This is -24. So 4g minus 12 is equal to -24. So 4g is equal to -12. G is -3. Now if you substitute this, you will get 8 into -3 plus 2 into -4 plus C is -17. -24 minus 8 plus C is -17. C is equal to 32 minus 17, that is 15. So C is 15. So then substitute GFC in equation number 1. So you will get x square plus y square plus 2 into -3 into x plus 2 into -4 into y plus C is 0. So you will get x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus C plus 15 is equal to 0. C is 15 plus 15 equals to 0. This is the final answer. Take the next question. Find the equation of a circle which is concentric with x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equals to 0 and passing through -2 comma 14. So what do you mean by concentric? Concentric means two circles having same center, like this. This is the radius. This is the radius of the second circle. Now, first let us see what is the given circle equation. Given circle equation is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is 0. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now, if you want to find out the equation of circle concentric to the first equation, then the whole equation will be the same, only the constant changes. So in the place of constant, we write plus k. Now let's say this is equation number 2. This second equation passes through the point. What is the given point in the question? -2 comma 14. So -2 whole square plus 14 square minus 6 into -2 minus 4 into 14 plus k is 0. 4 plus 196 plus 12 minus what is 14 into 4? 56 plus k is equal to 0. Now 200 plus 12 is 212. What is 212 minus 56? 156. So this is 156 plus k is 0. That means k is minus 156. Now substitute this k value in equation number 2. So what do you get? Substituting k in equation number 2. So you get x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 156 equals to 0. This is the final answer. Take the next question. Find the equation of the circle whose center lies on the x-axis and passing through -2, 3 and 4, 5. So first let us write the given points. Given points are a -2, 3 and b 4, 5. Now let the required equation of the circle be the general equation. What is the general equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Now equation number 1 passes through the first point. What is the first point? A minus 2 comma 3. Now in equation number 1, in the place of x you put minus 2 and in the place of y you put 3. So minus 2 whole square plus 3 square plus 2g into minus 2 plus 2f into 3 plus c is 0. So you get 4 plus 9 minus 4g plus 6f plus c is equal to 0. So you get minus 4g plus 6f plus c is equal to minus 13. This is equation number 2. Now equation number 1 passing through the second point. What is the second point? B 4 comma 5. Now 4 square plus 5 square plus 2g into 4 plus 2f into 5 plus c equals to 0. 16 plus 25 plus 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to 0. So 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 41. This is equation number 3. Now we need to subtract them. Either you do 3 minus 2 or 2 minus 3. So we are doing 3 minus 2. 8g plus 10f plus c equals to minus 41. Minus 4g plus 6f plus c is equal to minus 13. Now change the signs. Minus will become plus. Plus will become minus. C minus C cancel. 8g plus 4g is 12g plus 4f is equal to minus 28. Now we can take 4 common. So we get 3g plus f is equal to minus 7. This is equation number 4. Now come back to the question. What does it say? Center lies on x-axis. So what do you mean by this? Center is minus g comma minus f lies on x-axis. Whenever a point lies on x-axis, its y-coordinate will be 0. So y-coordinate of the center is minus f is 0. That means f is equal to 0. Substitute this f is equal to 0 in equation number 5. Sorry, in equation number 4. So what is equation number 4 here? 3g plus f is minus 7. So 3g plus 0 is minus 7. So g is minus 7 by 3. Now we got g and f values. Substitute g and f in equation number 2. What is second equation? You can substitute in either 2 or 3. So second equation is minus 4g plus 6f plus c is equal to minus 13. So you will get minus 4 into minus 7 by 3 plus 6 into 0 plus c is minus 13. So this is 28 by 3 plus c is minus 13. C is minus 13 minus 28 by 3. Take the LCM minus 39 minus 28 by 3. That is minus 67 by 3. This is C. Now substituting GFC in equation number 1. So you get x square plus y square plus 2 into minus 7 by 3 into x plus 2 into 0 into y minus 67 by 3. If you take LCM, LCM is 3, you will get 3x square plus 3y square minus 14x minus 67 is 0. This is the most important LAQ. Take the next question. If ABCD is a square, then show that the points A, B, C and D are concyclic. Concyclic means all the 4 points are lying on the circle. That we have to show. Now see, ABCD is a square. Now origin is A, 0, 0. B is lying on x-axis, so its y-coordinate is 0. D is lying on y-axis, so its x-coordinate is 0. C is lying in the xy plane, so it is A, A. So understood how we got the points. Now we will see how to solve this question. So now ABCD is a square. Let AB is equal to A. Then AD is equal to A, right? Because in a square all sides are equal. Therefore A is equal to 0, 0. B is equal to A, 0. C is equal to A, A. And D is equal to 0, A. Now let the equation of the required circle be the general equation. What is the general equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Now since equation number 1 passes through a point, what is a point? 0, 0. Now in the place of x and y we can put 0. So 0 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 0 plus c equals to 0. So you get c equals to 0. We got c is equal to 0. Now since equation number 1 passes through the second point, what is the second point? B is the second point. What are the coordinates of B? A, 0. Now substitute x as A and y as 0. So we get A square plus 0 square plus 2g into A plus 2f into 0 plus c is equal to 0. So A square plus 2ga plus c is equal to 0. But just now we got c is equal to 0, right? So now we will get a square plus 2ga equals to 0. If we take a common, we will get a plus 2g equals to 0. So a plus 2g is 0. From here we will get g as minus a by 2. From here we got g value. Now equation number 1 passes through the fourth point, that is D. D 0, A. Now in the place of x we can put 0 and in the place of y we can put a. So 0 square plus a square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into a plus c is 0. So you get a square plus 2af plus c is 0. As c is 0, you can write a square plus 2af is 0. If you take a common, we will get a plus 2f is 0. So we can write a plus 2f is 0. From here we can say that f is minus a by 2. Now you can substitute GFC values. Substituting GFC values in equation number 1. That is the general equation. So x square plus y square plus 2 into g is minus a by 2 into x plus 2 into f is minus a by 2 into y plus c is 0. Over here 2 cancel. You will get x square plus y square minus ax minus ay is equal to 0. Now substitute C point, that is a comma a in equation number 1. So you will get a square plus a square minus a into a minus a into a equals to 0. So 2a square minus 2a square is 0. So 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, A, B, C, D are concyclic. Take the next question, Roman number 3, question number 1. Find the equation of circle passing through each of the following 3 points. The points are 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. Now first let us write given points. Given points are 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. Let us name it as A, B and C. Now let equation of circle be the general equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This is equation number 1. Now equation number 1 passes through the first point, that is a 3, 4. So 3 square plus 4 square plus 2g into 3 plus 2f into 4 plus c is equal to 0. 9 plus 16 plus 6g plus 8f plus c equals to 0. 6g plus 8f plus c equals to minus 25. This is equation number 2. Now equation number 1 passes through the second point. Passes through B 3, 2. So 3 square plus 2 square plus 2g into 3 plus 2f into 2 plus c equals to 0. So 9 plus 4 plus 6g plus 4f plus c equals to 0. So 6g plus 4f plus c equals to minus 13. This is equation number 3. Now equation number 1 passes through C1, 4. So you get 1 square plus 4 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 4 plus c equals to 0. So 1 plus 16 plus 2g plus 8f plus c is 0. So you get 2g plus 8f plus c equals to minus 17. This is equation number 4. Okay, after substituting these 3 points in the general equation, we will subtract them. We'll solve two equations. So first we'll subtract 3 and 2. Let us do 3 minus 2 first. Third equation is 6g plus 4f plus c is minus 13. And second equation is 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 25. Change the signs. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Over here you can see 6g minus 6g cancel, c minus c cancel. 4f minus 8f is minus 4f is equal to 12. 4 ones are 4 threes are, so f is equal to minus 3. Okay, f is equal to minus 3. Now substituting, before substituting, we need to do 4 minus 3 also. Here we got f is equal to 3. So 4 minus 3, what is fourth equation? 2g plus 8f plus c equals to minus 17. What is third equation? 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 13. Change the signs. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Here c minus c gets cancelled. 2g minus 6g is minus 4g plus 4f is equal to minus 4. Now if you take minus 4 common, g minus f is equal to 1. This is equation number 5. Now substituting f is equal to minus 3 in equation number 5. So g minus of minus plus 3 is equal to 1. So g is minus 2. Now substituting g and f in equation number 2 or 3 or 4, anywhere you can substitute. Let us substitute in second equation. So 6g, so 6 into minus 2 plus 8f, 8 into minus 3 plus c is minus 25. So minus 12 minus 24 plus c is minus 25. Minus 36 plus c is minus 25. C is 36 minus 25. So C is equal to 11. Now substitute all the three values, that is GFC values, in equation number 1. So x square plus y square plus 2 into what is G? G is minus 2, F is minus 3. Minus 2 into x plus 2 into minus 3 into y. And what is C? C is 11 we got. So that is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equals to 0. This is the final answer and this is the most important LAQ.